So I got a new wagon for baseball season. I have to go with 2 toddlers and it's just always a lot. Let's put it together so I can show you. It might even be together. Guys, it's already put together. What in the world? This is how it would store in your car. Just like this. And technically you could just roll it, I think. Yeah, you can roll it. I don't know where you need to roll it to. It's the wagon. Okay, let's see here. Is it inside the wagon? Woo! That was okay. Yes! And it has the under part, so you can like put your chairs and stuff under there. I do not. I'm trying to see though, like how do you slide your chair? Oh! Look! It has a little thing on the back. This is where I see people put their like kids' backpack. We make our kid carry this. He's 4, he carries it. You know what I mean? And that's nice. It closes right up. You like it? My big Yeti Camino. Yep. This is gonna be perfect for all of the games with all the kids. Okay, I want to see how fast I can put it away too, because like, you know, after the game, you're like kids in the car and stuff like that. So this comes out. Pull one here. Boom. Wait, this would go down. This would go here. Where's the strap? Strap would go around. Juno's helping me. I would pretend Juno's a toddler because I would have a toddler next to me. I'll do that. Okay, look at that. Let me put this back on top. This is always the worst part for me. You know those chairs you got to put back in? And I never put them back in the bag. Oh, that's it. Done. Did I do it right?